What's the meaning of Boise? Boise. Boise.
Boise. Boise. Boise is the capital and largest city of Idaho, a state located in the northwestern region of the United States. The name Boise comes from the French word les bois, which means the woods. This is due to the fact that the area was heavily forested when French-Canadian fur trappers first arrived in the early 19th century. Today, Boise is known for its vibrant downtown area, outdoor recreational opportunities, and strong economy fueled by industries such as technology and agriculture. It is also home to Boise State University, a public research institution with a diverse student body and renowned football program.